Hi guys, I had one question that came up from last night's homework, the pair share with the twist, and it was number 16. So dealing with our chords, we know that we're going to multiply the two parts of our chord, so this times this, and we're going to set it equal to this guy times this guy. So I'm going to take my x times x plus 15 and set that equal to x plus 3 times x plus 6. So when I distribute here, I'm going to get x squared plus 15x, and that's going to be equal to, when I distribute here, foiling this guy, I'm going to get x squared plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. And combining like terms, my 6x and my 3x, I'm going to get x squared plus 15x is equal to x squared plus 9x plus 18. X squared on both sides, so I'm going to subtract x squared. So these guys go away. And I'm also going to subtract 9x from both sides. So this goes away. And I'm going to be left with 18 on the right side. And 15x minus 9x is going to give me 6x. Divide both by 6. So x is equal to 3.